Hello, good morning viewers. I'm Saurabh, your English tutor. Today I'm going to share with you some most important phrasal verbs. So before starting this session, I want to tell you that if you didn't subscribe my channel Save Classes, so subscribe it and press bell icon. You will get my latest video. So why we use phrasal verbs? Because we want to make our English impressive, attractive, and we want to express our things in a short ways. That's why we use it. So how to use it, these phrasal verbs? So let's see. First of all, look after. If you talk about in Hindi, देखभाल करना. I have written over here, it's English also, take care of. Like we can use it in a one sentence, like our parents look after our younger brothers. And next one, look through. If you talk about it's Hindi in, so padhna, study, okay. And how to use it? So first of all, I am able to look through this lesson, and we can use it in a different ways also. Like we want to look through this man, like we can ignore this man, we can use it in a ignore form, okay. Another one, long-headed, clever, we can use it as a clever. You can say that in Hindi, buddhiman, he is a long-headed man, okay. Another one, look for, search for. If you talk about in Hindi, किसी चीज की तलाश होना, किसी चीज का उत्सुकता से वेट करना, okay. In excited form, we can wait anything, like our famous matches, football matches. So how to use it? Look for, we are looking for a good job, okay. Another one, line off. Line off, if you talk about in Hindi, तो कुछ अच्छा idea. And how to use this words? So you have any line off, okay. How to use these phrasal verbs? In lieu of. If you talk about in Hindi, so instead of, किए बजाय, okay. So how to use in sentences? I will buy this instead of this pen. It's a one example. If you talk about how to take this one phrasal verb, I will buy in lieu of that pen, okay. मैं इस पेन के बजाय वो पेन खरीदूंगा, okay. Another one, miss the bus. Miss the bus, I have written over here, it's English also, to lose one's opportunity. If you can say that in Hindi, अवसर को खो देना. And we can use it in a another way. So miss the bus and miss the boat, both are same, okay. Like you have missed the bus, like आपने जो है opportunity को खो दिया. Another one, fall by the wayside. We can use it in this way, you have give up, आपने हार मान ली in Hindi, okay. So if you talk about, take a one example, you have fall by the wayside because you didn't do hard work. So another one, look here, attain to this. Like if you talk about in Hindi, तो ध्यान से careful होना किसी चीज को लेकर. Look at here, here is a big pit, okay. So these are phrasal verbs for today, and I will share with you some more important phrasal verbs with you. So you have to watch my video, you can share my video with your friends and colleagues, okay. So you can learn. I will share with you more and more informative things with you. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.